こんにちは、Itsuyukiです。
Today, I would like to introduce a portable electronic fish finder that I made. In Japan, bass fishing using rental boats is the mainstream, and a fish finder is included in the equipment, but it is generally older than 20 years ago. So, bass fishing is more advantageous if you prepare and use your own fish finder. What's more, once you have this portable system, you can use it no matter where you go to the lake or rent a boat. Now, let me introduce how this system works. This is a fish finder I have. This case is a toolbox I bought at the home improvement store. The fish finder is attached here. You can see the main body by removing its cover. This is the fish finder body. This is a LOWRANCE .1 heading sensor. This cover is a protective case for laptop computers. This is a LOWRANCE RAM mount. Open the case and check the contents. First of all, the battery. This is a transducer. Take out the transducer. Wiring is... Make a hole here and let the cable pass through. Through here, battery cable. Point one cable, fuse box. It is via connector for safety. The transducer is attached to the boat using a suction cup. The previous cover is closed inside. Since the battery is put in the box, the ball does not fall over and it's stable. Connect the transducer cable to the main body. The transducer is attached to the transom. Pass the rope here to prevent it from falling. Then attach it here. A little lower. This heading sensor is attached with Velcro. The system can be adjusted to face the bow when used on the front deck. You can bring to the back seat or change the placement to face the ball.
バー方向に向けられる。
So this allows for free adjustment. Look at the reverse side.
横に返すと
Velcro is also attached here, so it will stick to the carpet on the deck and will not fall
この
over.
穴から
Heavily rain can enter through this
こ
hole,
こに
so make a hole here to drain it.
するようにしてます。
Carry it with this shoulder strap.
まあ、
You are going to do it like this. If you build a portable system, you can use it to gain an advantage in bass fishing, whether you change lakes or rent any boat. This boat runs at about 19 miles per hour, but in my experience, even a high-power boat running at 62 miles per hour did not remove the transom transducer and suction caps. Very reliable. In the same way, this system also works very well. Why don't you give it a try? Thank you for watching till the end.
バイバイ。